Does the first-time battery charge duration affect the overall battery life?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether the first-time battery charge duration affects the overall battery life of your devices. This is a common question that many people have, so let's dive in and find out the truth.
Understanding lithium-ion batteries.
To answer this question, it's important to first understand a bit about the batteries commonly used in our electronic devices. Most modern devices, such as smartphones and laptops, utilize lithium-ion batteries. These batteries have become popular due to their high energy density, long cycle life, and low self-discharge rate.
Battery manufacturing and calibration.
When lithium-ion batteries are manufactured, they undergo a calibration process to ensure their performance and longevity. This process involves initial charging and discharging cycles to establish the battery's capacity and optimize its performance. The battery's internal circuitry also needs to learn the full range of the battery's charge and discharge capacity.
Myth of the memory effect.
One common misconception related to battery life is the memory effect. In the past, some battery technologies experienced a memory effect, where their capacity would decrease if they were not fully discharged before recharging. However, lithium-ion batteries do not suffer from this effect. In fact, frequent partial charging is actually beneficial for lithium-ion batteries, as it helps prevent deep discharges, which can be more damaging.
Battery usage recommendations.
To maximize the overall lifespan of your device's battery, it is generally recommended to follow these guidelines. 1. Avoid deep discharges. Try to avoid fully depleting the battery frequently, as this can strain the battery's lifespan. 2. Avoid excessive heat. High temperatures can degrade the performance and lifespan of lithium-ion batteries. Keep your devices in a cool environment whenever possible. 3. Avoid extreme cold. Just as high temperatures can be detrimental, extremely low temperatures can also impact battery performance. Protect your devices from extreme cold. 4. Use official chargers and cables. Using genuine chargers and cables provided by the device manufacturer ensures compatibility and optimal charging performance.
First-time battery charge.
Now let's address the main question. Does the first-time battery charge duration affect the overall battery life? The answer is not significantly. Lithium-ion batteries used in modern devices are designed to handle the charging process efficiently without requiring any special treatment during the initial charge. It is true that during the first charge, the battery's calibration process occurs, but this is typically a quick process that happens automatically in the background. Therefore, there is no need to worry about charging your new device for a specific duration before using it. To sum it up, the first-time battery charge duration does not have a significant impact on the overall battery life of your devices. Lithium-ion batteries used in modern electronics are designed to handle charging efficiently, and following the general battery usage recommendations will help you maximize their lifespan. I hope this video has provided some clarity on this topic. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.